What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back to another Customs with Casso. Alright, so the custom that's on the menu for today is going to be my UNC Air Jordan Retro 1s. What I'm going to be doing to them, I already did one and I'm going to show you guys, is changing the back tab. I'll get B-roll so you can see it better, but it's a picture of Jordan back there. Trust me. It's a picture of Jordan back there. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. This is not paint, it's not a hydro dip, none of that. So I'm gonna show you guys something new. But there's a few things you're gonna need for this custom, or something like this custom. Alright, so first thing you're gonna need, of course, is the sneaker. You're gonna need some scissors, X-Acto knife, computer, laptop, which I have right here. That's why if I keep looking over here, my laptop's right here, and a printer. And the last thing you're going to need, well, not the last thing, but the most important thing is this t-shirt transfer. Play with this a little bit. There we go. This t-shirt transfer paper from Avery. Turn this back to get my normal color. And what you're gonna have to do is put one of these transfer papers into your printer to print the image that you want on this. Then I'm going to show you guys what to do next, so we can put that image onto the sneaker, or you can do it on a shirt if you want to. It really doesn't matter. Best thing about this is it comes with this like this trace paper that you're going to need to, when you use the mini iron to iron. Yes, going to iron the image onto the sneaker. So there's no excuses if y'all out there saying you're not artistic or anything like that. All you need is a mini iron, these papers, and your sneaker. So without any further ado, let me print out my next image I'm going to be using, and we can get the ball rolling. Alright, so since I'm all excited to do the second sneaker and finish it, I almost forgot to tell you guys, you're going to need some acetone too, and some light grit sandpaper. The sandpapers I have, about 1500, 600, and 800. So since I'm going to be putting the image on the back, what I'm going to be doing is acetoning this off, hitting it with the 3 different grits of sandpaper, then acetoning it again to get any excess stuff off. And that's going to just help the bonding process of the picture. I don't think I have to show you guys how to do it. Next time, if you want me to show you how to do it, leave a comment in the description, not in the description, just leave a comment, let me know that you want to see how to prep a sneaker, and I'll do it for y'all. Alright, so be right back. Alright, just like that, the ass is completely sanded, acetone down. I printed out the picture I'm going to be using, Michael Jordan UNC. So now, what I'm gonna do is line it up on the back of the sneaker, and that's where it's gonna go, is where I line it up. The dimensions I use when I measured it out is 3 inches high. Let me just get you guys the correct information. Yeah, the height is 3 inches and the width is 9 inches. That just gives me some extra little leeway to play with. So next thing I'm going to be doing, like I said, lining it up, see where it's going to be going. Then I'm going to cut out some of the excess white around the picture that we don't need. Be right back. Just like that. A little box logo is cut out. So the next thing I'm going to do is peel off this little sticker part of the paper. And once you do this part, it separates just like that. Now the piece that's going on the sneaker, now as you can see, it's all flimsy now. So that's how you're gonna know which part is gonna be going on it. Again, I just want to line it up to see where I want to put it. See where I'm going to put it. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is a little transfer sheet that it came with. I'm going to put over it and use my mini iron to just press down on certain areas real light, just so the paper will bond to the shoe. Then I'm gonna trim off the fat edges that I don't need. Just wanna have it stuck to the sneaker a little bit, just so it's not moving while I'm trimming it. So yeah, I'll just show you guys, like, it's the first little part. Hold on. Put her down a little more so I get more of the basketball in it. Or should I?
A few moments later.
Just ironing it down. I have it on medium heat. Just going over it enough, putting enough pressure on it, just so it can stick in the areas, so I can trim off the excess. All right, so I got the picture stuck on. It's not like permanent right now, but it's stuck on. So what I'm gonna do, of course, is trim around the midsole and pretty much cut out the excess, like I said, around the actual picture. Then I'm gonna really put pressure down to make this picture permanent. All right, so I trimmed the fat around. Put this one more time. I trimmed the fat around the edges. As you can see, it's a picture of Michael Jordan dunking. So what I'm gonna do now is just put my little paper back over this and just put more pressure going around the whole thing, so it can really get that bond action going. So I'm gonna paper right here. Like I said, my mini iron, I'm gonna just put more pressure going over it. Of course, you don't want to do it too hard because you don't want to damage the image or damage the sneaker. But yeah, let's knock this step out. All right, so with that being all done, the next step I'm going to be doing before, of course, you lace them up and everything, is putting a final splash of heat on it. And you have to use a heat gun because like a blow dryer just doesn't get hot enough. So I'm just like I did with the iron, I'm just gonna go over it, press it down, go over it, press it down, go over it, press it down. Just mainly being careful, you don't want to damage it, especially since this is pretty much the last piece. So like I said, gotta make sure it gets hot enough. Finished. Probably took me not even 30 minutes to do the one sneaker. So nice and easy custom. That'll last you, conversation starter, and it'll look just nice on the wall or something like that. Let me brighten this back up. All right, I'm just gonna go over everything you're gonna need again for a custom like this. You're gonna need a laptop computer, a printer so you can print the image that you want. Of course, the sneaker, acetone so you can, for the prep, sandpaper, a real fine sandpaper. I use 3 different grits just because I feel more comfortable, like it'll actually work better. You could probably use 2, but I use 3 different grits of sandpaper. A mini iron. You probably could use a big iron, but that might get a little too dangerous, so you might as well just use a mini iron. Still be careful with that too. X-Acto knife, scissors, and a heat gun. And I almost forgot the main thing is the actual paperwork. I don't know if other kinds will work. I'm just comfortable using this kind, so that's why I use this one. Might mess around and make a shirt to match these, but thank you guys. Follow me and see more pictures of these on my Instagram. Instagram is the same thing as this. That's Fabcasso, all one word, Fabcasso. And thanks again. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening, day, night, morning. I'm out. Yeah.